Hi folks, this is Rick, IC Cooking Refrigeration, working on a KitchenAid. This is a typical problem I've had this week, two of these. KitchenAid. Alright, what happens is the fan starts to make a noise down there. Here's the fan. And that evaporator gets a sheet of ice across the top and it stops cooling. Still a little bit of ice left in the right corner there. A little on the left, but I got the evaporator all cleared off. Another problem is the drain. Let me get down here for you. There's a drain right there. You see the hole? And that drain goes down to a pan, which is located right here. This little tab right here, part of the drain right there. But to access it, I take this panel apart in the back. And it's located here. You can see the water right there. But the problem is this. I ran over to a little video. Remember I told you about that little rubber thing?
Yeah.
That's what we're talking about. And see, it's not letting it come open.
Why, it's crimped there at the bottom?
See, it glues itself. It glues itself together.
Yeah.
So what you got to do is just open this up with a screwdriver. Yeah, I thought I should do a little video. Maybe some folks like to try to fix them.
Yeah.
So, see, put a little screwdriver. We got a little bit of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Show that on your video.
Yeah. Yep. Now the hole's open, and the water will drain into the pan now.
Huh.
So that's a problem.